Everyone, today we will discuss about carbamazepine drug. Okay, and as you are seeing, the carbamazepine complete drug information. The drug overview is generic name is carbamazepine, brand name Tegretol, Carbatol, Ziptol, and Epitol. The drug class is anticonvulsant and anti-epileptic. Pregnancy category is D. Lactation present in breast milk. Use with caution. Root oral tablet, chewable tablet, and suspension extended release tablet. Indication: epilepsy, partial and generalized seizure, trigeminal neuralgia, bipolar disorder, mania prophylaxis, neuropathic pain, diabetic neuropathy. And the main and important part of this complete drug information is drug interaction and disease interaction is. And now we'll discuss about dose. In epilepsy, the dose is initial dose is 100 to 200 mg two times daily. Titrate increased by 100 to 200 mg per day every 3 days. Maintenance 800 to 1200 mg per day in 2 to 3 divided doses. Maximum dose 600 to 2000 mg per day. B in trigeminal neuralgia. Adult initial dose is 100 mg two times daily. Titrate increased by 100 mg every few days. And the maintenance is 200 to 800 mg per day in 2 to 4 divided doses. Children 10 to 20 mg per day per kg per day in 2 to 3 divided doses adjust according to response. And the important note is dose may vary based on age, kidney and liver function and also clinical response. The mechanism of action of carbamazepine is carbamazepine stabilizes hyperexcited neuronal membranes, which reduces repetitive neuronal firing and decreases the spread of synaptic impulses. It blocks voltage-gated sodium channel in presynaptic neuron. It inhibits high-frequency neuronal firing, reduces the release of excitatory neurotransmitter glutamate, stabilizes mood in bipolar disorder. Exact mechanism of carbamazepine not fully known. Overall effect is anticonvulsant, mood stabilizing and analgesic. And the important part is drug interaction. The drug interaction of carbamazepine is MAO inhibitor, oral contraceptives, warfarin, phenytoin, valproic acid, and macrolide antibiotics, rifampicin, alcohol or CNS depressant. Effect in MAO inhibitor, a risk of hypertensive crisis. Why interaction occur in MAO inhibitor? Carbamazepine has MAO inhibiting property. Oral contraceptive decrease contraceptive effect, which increase risk of pregnancy. Why interaction occur in this? Induces CYP3/4A, which increase the metabolism of hormones. And in warfarin, decreased anticoagulant effect, which induces Y interaction occur induces CYP enzyme and increase metabolism. Phenytoin, variable level the toxicity or loss of effect. Enzyme induction, CYP alters the levels of both drugs. Valproic acid, which increase the risk of toxicity. Carbamazepine inhibits metabolism, which increase carbamazepine level. Okay, in macrolides antibiotic increase carbamazepine level, which increase risk of toxicity. Rifampicin decrease carbamazepine level, which increase loss of seizure control. Alcohol and CNS depression, which increases CNS depression. Why interaction occurs? Carbamazepine is strong inducer of hepatic enzymes, mainly CYP3/4A, CYP2C9, CYP2C19. It increases metabolism of many drugs, decreases their blood levels and effectiveness. Some drugs inhibit these enzymes, which increases carbamazepine level risk of toxicity. It also affects drug transporter PGP, which alters the absorption and distribution. And now is disease interaction. In which disease you should also avoid this drug, like liver disease, kidney disease, heart disease, bone marrow suppression, uh, porphyria, and narrow angle narrow angle glaucoma. Effect and precaution. Use with caution may worsen hepatic function, kidney use caution, dose adjustment may be needed. Heart disease may cause arrhythmias, conduction defects in bone marrow suppression, risk of further blood discrepancies. Porphyria may precipitate acute attacks and in narrow angle glaucoma may increase intraocular pressure. In adverse effect of carbamazepine, common drowsiness, dizziness, nausea, vomiting, ataxia, diplopia, and blurred vision. In serious adverse effect are SJS and TEN, aplastic anemia, granulocytosis, hyponatremia, hepatotoxicity, and pancreatitis. Other adverse effects are rash, like leukopenia, thrombocytopenia, and osteoporosis, and also weight gain. The important note is regular monitoring of CBC, LFTs, and serum sodium is recommended. Key points are effective for seizure, trigeminal neuralgia, and bipolar disorder. Narrow therapeutic index are monitor blood vessels, many drug interaction due to enzyme induction, avoid abrupt discontinuation, risk of seizure reoccurrence, regular follow-up and lab monitoring are essential. So this is the overview or complete drug information of carbamazepine. So see you in the next video. Thank you so much.